Hello guys! Today, let's draw Peppa Pig and her friends. First, let's draw Peppa Pig. Now, let's draw Susie Sheep. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to like the video. Now, let's draw Emily Elephant. Now, let's draw Little George Pig. Now, let's draw Rebecca Rabbit. Finally, let's draw Pedro Pony. Let's color. Susie Sheep is white and wears a pink dress. Peppa Pig is pink. And wears a red dress. Emily Elephant wears a yellow dress and is blue. George is pink color and wears a blue dress. Rebecca Rabbit is white and wears a turquoise dress. Pedro Pony is brown color and wears a yellow color. watching. Bye bye.